Hello everyone, this is Rajat Sharma from Government College of Engineering and Technology Jammu. I prepared this detailed model as an assignment for Skyfi Lab online course on tall building. As according to question, this is a 23-story building having different live loads on different sections of floor. Has 1 to 9 floor has same sections, 9 to 14 has different, 14 to 19 different, and 19 to 23 different. I designed a whole building and I will show you the loads. I already assigned loads in it. Now how do we check the loads? First we click on display loads, then I will select shell, and after that which load we want to see. If we want to see live load, dead load or wind load, which I already assigned in this model. Let we check first of all live loads. We will select live loads and press OK. This will automatically show us the different live load on that floor. Like this is plan view of story 17. Story 17 has live load of 4444 kilonewton per meter square. Now if we want to check a live load of 23 story building, then we will select plan, select story number 22 and OK. This will show us the 22nd floor. We will check live loads. See, here is the 3.5 and 3.5 live loads on 22 story. And if we want to check dead load here, we will say display load assigns shells and we will select live loads की जगह dead loads. Then we will select OK. Then automatically it will show the dead load of that point. See, 2 and 2. This is your dead load. Now we want to see live load here. Similarly, we will go display load assigns, shell and wind loads. Now we will select wind load and we will select OK. Wind load will be only on the outer walls of the building. So here is the outer walls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and every wall has its wind load. This is I designed the whole. Let me check now, is it correct or no. First of all select design, concrete frame section. Now as I have already designed, so we have to check verify that all members are its passed or not. We will select verify all members. See, all concrete frame passed the design check, so our frame is okay. If we want to run this, we will select analyze and run analysis. This will automatically work and tell us the whole data in this format. See this. Work is going on, it is analyzing it. After analyzing, it will give us the detail of every corner, every joint of this building. We just have to put a cursor over there and detail will be automatically given to us. It's still working. Now see, refreshing window. It took a minute. Now if we check which story, let we go to story. This will display story number, joint element, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, all the elements which we want to see. Just we have to move the cursor over there and get the detail. This is I designed a model. This is my report. This is project report of my model. How can I check? Just click on this plus, cover page. See, this is my project report of that project. It will take a time. and this is, if you want to take summary, project reports, next step is summary. This is total. wait. Now here we see the project report, cover page, table of content, list of tables, assignments, summary report, each and everything of this project. Now if we want to check, like we have different plans for different section, we select plan floor number 6. Okay, floor number 6 covers the whole area, as this is showing this whole area, then floor number 6 will automatically show the whole area. Just wait, it take time. Here see, it shows the whole covered area. Now we select plan for like 17. We will okay it. This will show us the plan of the desired question. So thank you. This is my model. Myself, Rajat Sharma.